we are good to go.
Cool. Thank you.
Hopping over on off camber there.
Yep.
You can see right here we've got our front sway bar disconnected. When that light's on, that means it's disconnected. That gives that front axle 25% more wheel articulation.
Oh, wow.
We'll have our ground clearance section right here. Got 13.1 inches of ground clearance in here.
That'd be nice. I think I've got 2.5.
Say that again?
I think I've got 2.5 on the
Yeah. Here we go. That's 28 feet up.
Jeez.
Out 35 degrees. We can have our front camera on right here. You look out the windshield, you don't quite see anything out there. Use that front camera. We got our crevasse right here. We use that camera again, like I was talking about. We got our dynamic guidelines, shows us where our wheels are. Helps keep us centered, helps us maneuver through here. Then our banked wedge coming up will be between 25 and 30 degrees of roll. You can turn on that screen and it'll show us exactly that.
That is an unnatural feeling.
Right. Back down we go. Last obstacles are brake over. Same thing as kind of our off camera and stuff. We got that sway bar disconnected.
Yep.
Helps keep those wheels moving, keep all four on the ground. Not too shabby, right?
Not shabby at all.